What we see now is the host part. The chilled unit, main pump, and platform of the main part, including the above high temperature tank, low temperature tank, normal temperature tank, as well as expansion tank, equipment frame, and process piping are all constructed on site by us. Here is another set of host parts, and they are spares for each other. Let's take a look at our distribution unit. Because this workshop is an explosion-proof workshop, so our distribution units are all explosion-proof. The installation of all connecting pipes, insulation pipes, and pipelines on the distribution unit in the whole workshop, including the frame production, is our LNEYA responsibility. The explosion-proof cabinet is made of stainless steel. This is the requirement specified by the industry customer. The explosion-proof grade is currently BT4. There are also several workshops for CT4. Here are two more distinctive designs. An emergency cooling button is installed on each TCU distribution unit. Prevent some emergencies. This is what the customer specifies to install. The size of the allocation unit of each TCU is different. The size of the allocation unit of each TCU is different. The capacity of the corresponding reactor is also different. 8 pipes are connected to each TCU equipment. 8 pipes, 6 above. 2 high temperature, 2 normal temperature, 2 frozen. There are also 2 jackets connected to the reactor, one for water in and one for water out. Can control the temperature of the reactor jacket. It can also control the temperature of the reactor materials. Circulating pipelines are made of 304 stainless steel.